Well, this is my S&M Camwood 2. Just recently came out by S&M. Let's start with the back. I have a stock wheel off my Eddy 2 after my bike got ran over. Cassette's not loud at all. I got Shadow Conspiracy nuts all around, very light, I like them. Fit FAF teal wall in 2.3, love them. My stolen P-Boss pivotal seat with stolen Thermalite seat post. These are Primo Stricker pedals, don't get them, they suck. They're strong, but they're not grippy. So I'm getting the Odyssey Twisted PCs in teal. Shadow Ravager chain wheel. KMC Dropbuster chain in orange. Same wheel, same tire in front, same sizes and everything. Stock forks. S&M Race XLT. I don't know what the reach is, but I like it. The Colt leader bars in orange. ODI grips. Animal bar ends. And I think I got everything. Well, that's my bike.